Did you know that your Android phone is packed with hidden features that can enhance your experience and productivity? In this video, we are going to delve deeper into 10 of these hidden gems. These include split-screen multitasking, SmartLock, notification dots, ScreenPinning, adaptive battery, quick app switching with gestures, scheduled dark mode, EmergencySOS, guest mode, and one-handed mode. All these features are designed to make your Android experience smoother and more efficient. Stay tuned to discover the capabilities of your Android device you might not have known about. First up, we have the split-screen multitasking feature. This is a game changer for all of you multitaskers out there. It allows you to run 2 apps simultaneously, meaning you can watch that latest viral video while replying to your emails, or scroll through your favorite social media app while keeping an eye on the latest sports scores. So how do we activate this? It's simple. Open up your recent apps menu. This is usually accessed by tapping the square button at the bottom of your screen, or swiping up from the bottom if you're using gesture navigation. Once you're in the recent apps menu, look for the split screen icon. Tapping this will split your screen in 2, allowing you to select 2 apps to run side by side. Imagine the possibilities. You can now double your productivity or double your fun, all thanks to this handy feature. With this feature, multitasking on your phone has never been easier. Moving on to the second hidden feature, the SmartLock. This intelligent feature keeps your phone unlocked when it's in trusted locations or connected to trusted devices, ensuring you don't have to repeatedly unlock your phone in safe environments. To set up this feature, you'll need to head into your phone's settings. From there, navigate to the security section and you'll find the SmartLock option. Once you tap on the SmartLock, you'll be presented with a few options. You can choose to keep your phone unlocked when it's on your person, when it's in a trusted location like your home, or when it's connected to a trusted device like your car's Bluetooth system. You can also choose to have your phone stay unlocked when it recognizes your face or voice. This feature is designed to make your life easier while still keeping your personal information secure. With SmartLock, you can keep your phone secure yet accessible in trusted situations. Next, let's dive into the notification dots feature. This nifty tool is designed to keep you in the loop without the need for constant app checking. Notification dots are small, colorful badges that appear on your app icons when you have unread notifications. They're not just decorative, they're interactive. How do you use them? Simply long press on an app icon with a dot. This will bring up a preview of the notification right there. You can respond, dismiss, or jump into the app for a deeper dive. If you want more details about the notification, you can swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. This feature helps you prioritize your time by allowing you to quickly glance at your notifications without opening each individual app. It's a subtle, yet powerful way to manage your digital life. Notification dots are a subtle way to keep track of your app notifications without opening the apps. The fourth feature on our list is ScreenPinning. This feature is a gem when it comes to maintaining privacy while lending your phone to someone. It allows you to pin a specific app to the screen, restricting access to the rest of your device. It's like giving someone a book but only allowing them to read one page. To enable this feature, first head to your device settings. Scroll down to the security section and tap on it. Here, you'll find the ScreenPinning option. Tap to enable it. Now, let's say you want to pin a particular app. Open the app, then tap the square or recent apps button to open the app switcher. Find the app you want to pin and tap the pin icon. Voila! That app is now pinned to your screen and no other apps can be accessed without unpinning it. With ScreenPinning, lending your phone to someone has never been safer. Let's move on to the fifth feature, the adaptive battery. This is a fantastic feature powered by artificial intelligence that optimizes your phone's battery usage based on your individual usage patterns. In other words, your phone learns from the way you use it and adapts its battery usage accordingly. Imagine this. You're a night owl, and you use your phone mostly during the night. Over time, your phone learns this habit and adjusts its power consumption to ensure that the battery lasts longer during your active hours. Isn't that smart? To activate it, you'll need to head over to your settings. look for the battery option and tap on it. There, you should see the adaptive battery option. Tap on it and turn it on. Just like that, you've activated a feature that intelligently manages your battery life. Adaptive battery is the way to go for a longer-lasting battery life based on your usage patterns. Next up, we have QuickAppSwitching with gestures. This feature is a game changer for those who love multitasking. It allows you to swiftly maneuver between your recently used apps with just a flick of your finger. Here's how it works. First off, ensure your gesture navigation is enabled. If not, you can turn it on by navigating to your settings, then to System, Gestures, and finally, System Navigation. Choose Gesture Navigation to enable this feature. Now, let's say you're browsing the web and suddenly remember that you need to reply to a text. Rather than going through the usual process of exiting the browser and finding the messaging app, you can simply swipe left or right on the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This gesture will take you right to your most recently used app, saving you precious time. QuickAppSwitching with gestures streamlines your multitasking experience. The seventh feature on our list is ScheduledDarkMode. Now, we all love a good dark mode. It's easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions, and it can help save battery life on devices with OLED screens. But did you know that you can schedule dark mode to turn on and off automatically? It's true, and it's incredibly easy to set up. First, head to your device's settings. From there, navigate to the display settings. You should see an option for dark theme. Tap on that. In the dark theme settings, you'll see a scheduling option. Tap it to set a custom schedule. You can choose to have dark mode turn on at sunset and off at sunrise, or you can set specific times for dark mode to activate and deactivate. Scheduled dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain and save battery. Plus, it adds a touch of personalization, allowing your device to adapt to your lifestyle and preferences. Amazing, isn't it? Moving on, we have the EmergencySOS feature. This vital yet often overlooked feature is designed to provide quick access to emergency services in times of need. It's like having a personal safety button right in your pocket. When activated, EmergencySOS can automatically dial emergency services and share your location, providing a possible lifeline in critical situations. But how do you activate it? It's simple. All you need to do is press your power button 3 times in quick succession. Remember, this feature is not just a convenience, it's a potential lifesaver. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with it and teach others about its existence and use. Whether you're in a precarious situation or witnessing an emergency, quick access to help can make all the difference. EmergencySOS is a crucial feature that can potentially save lives. So, make sure to check it out and stay safe. Next, let's talk about the guest mode feature. This is a brilliant and easy-to-use feature that can come in handy when you need to lend your phone to someone but want to maintain your privacy. Essentially, guest mode allows you to create a restricted profile for others to use. All your personal information, like messages, photos, and applications, remain hidden and inaccessible in this mode. To activate guest mode, simply swipe down to reveal the quick settings menu. Now tap on your profile picture, located at the top right corner. From the options that appear, select Guest. Just like that, your phone switches to a new, clean profile. To exit guest mode, follow the same steps, but this time select Remove Guest. Your phone will then return to your primary profile with all your data intact and private. Remember, guest mode is a great way to maintain your privacy when sharing your phone. Finally, we have the one-handed mode feature. This feature is a game changer, especially for those of us who find larger screen sizes a bit unwieldy. It's all about making your Android phone more manageable with just one hand. Here's how it works. One-handed mode shrinks the display down to a more manageable size, bringing all those user interface elements within easy reach of your thumb. To activate this feature, all you need to do is swipe down on the home button or gesture bar. Just like that, you've got a miniaturized display that you can navigate with ease. But what about when you want to switch back to the full screen view? It's just as simple. A simple tap outside the shrunken display area will bring your screen back to its original size. And that's it. A nifty feature that makes navigating your phone a whole lot easier, especially when you're on the move. One-handed mode makes handling your larger screen a breeze. And there you have it, 10 hidden features of your Android phone. From split-screen multitasking to one-handed mode, these features are designed to streamline your smartphone experience. We've also touched on privacy-enhancing options like guest mode and emergency features like SOS. So, get exploring and unlock the full potential of your Android phone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed discovering these hidden Android features. Thanks for watching Turbo SR Tech, and see you in the next video.